Alright, problem number 1 is the expression is 5 plus the square root of x plus 1, and we're squaring that. So to perform this operation, we do the following. 5 plus the square root of x plus 1 times 5 plus the square root of x plus 1. Alright, so we're going to perform the same type of operation that you would normally do with multiplication of numbers. So for instance, if I went took the numbers 13 and multiplied it by 12, the way I would do this, I would go 2 times 3, I'd get 6. Then I'd go 2 times 1, I would get 2. Now I'd move over to the 1 digit in the 12, and I go 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1, and then I would add the columns. 1, 5, 6. We're going to perform that same type of operation here. So I'm going to look at, this is two terms, 5 plus the square root of x plus 1, 5 plus the square root of x plus 1. We're going to take the two terms on the right of each of these expressions and multiply them. So if I take the square root of x plus 1 times the square root of x plus 1, a square root squared is just the thing itself without the square root. So that's just x plus 1. Now I'm going to multiply, just like I went 1 times 2, I'm going to go the square root of x plus 1 times 5. That is the same as positive 5 square root x plus 1. Okay? Now look again. What do we do with 12 times 13? Now I moved over one digit and multiplied 1 times 3. So now I'm going to go multiply 5 times the square root of x plus 1, which again is positive 5 square root x plus 1. And then I went 1 times 1, so I took the two digits to the left. I'm going to take the two terms to the left, 5 times 5, which gives me 25. And just like here I added my columns, that's exactly what I'm going to do here as well. I'm going to add the columns. So this is 25 plus 10 square root x plus 1. Now there's a plus sign outside these parentheses, so it doesn't change anything, so we just drop the parentheses, so it's plus x plus 1. Now I'm going to combine two terms. So you notice here I have a 25 and I have a positive 1. So 25 and 1 is 26. So my final answer is going to be 26 plus 10 times the square root of x plus 1 plus x. And that is my final answer.